Hey everybody, it's Menaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys a quick, easy way to highlight. I wanted to make it as easy as possible. This is how I do my highlighting every day. And I'm using cream products today. So if you guys want to watch what I do, then stay tuned. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick, easy highlighting or where you're supposed to put highlighters at. Highlighting can be a few different things. You can use cream highlighters or you can use liquid highlighters. For today, I'm just gonna show you where to put your cream highlighter. Yeah, so it's gonna be real quick and easy. I already have my foundation on. I have the Maybelline 24-Hour Stay, and I mixed it with the LA Girl Pro Coverage because it's too dark for me and I'm pasty. I've been inside. You know, I ain't got no tan yet. Anyway, and the highlighter that we're going to be using today, well, I say highlighter, but I usually will just use a concealer or even a foundation that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my, my skin tone. And that's what I use for highlighting. You can go out and buy these little creams. Like this is a L'Oreal Magic Lumi pen. And it looks like this. Now this is actually made for highlighting. I don't use these too often because there's not a lot of coverage to them and there's not a lot of shades, let's be honest. They are bright. But I do love using concealers that are just 1 or 2 shades too light for me. And today, like I said, we are using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is probably one of the better drugstore concealers. I love it. This color is in shade Light. And all we're gonna do is place that in the middle of the forehead, on the chin, and just a few little stripes here. Now you can take that all the way over, but you really don't need that much product. I feel like it's a waste. If you're not covering any dark circles, you're just using this for highlighting, just a few little strips down the nose, because we're gonna blend that out this way. And today I'm using just a regular beauty blender. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these out under my eyes, on my chin. Oh, also you can go down your nose, the bridge of your nose if you want. I usually don't do that. But yeah, if you wanna go ahead and, if you're gonna contour your nose, you can do that as well. So I'm just blending that out. Both sides. And on my forehead, I just want to keep that sort of just in a little area here, and on my chin. Basically everywhere the light would hit is where you want to highlight. So you can see that glow in the middle of my forehead. Now my under eyes are brightened and I have a little bit of light on my chin. And yeah, so I would just go ahead and set that with a powder and then continue on with my routine. So yeah, that's just an easy way to do a highlight with a cream, either concealer or a foundation. 1 or 2 shades lighter than your regular skin tone or your regular foundation shade, and you should be able to highlight really easily. Like I said, on your chin, under your eyes, on your forehead, and down your nose if you want to do that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Also, make sure to like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.